Hello from Porter's RV Sales in Williamston, South Carolina. We're excited to showcase a 2021 Entegra Odyssey 30Z, a Class C RV with just 27,000 miles, barely broken in. Priced at just $77,900, this 32-foot C-Class RV is packed with features, including an overhead bunk that's perfect for family camping trips and sleeping arrangements for up to 6. Let's dive into the exterior to see why this RV is adventure-ready. This RV is in excellent condition, ready for countless family outings in the future. Built on a heavy-duty Ford E450 chassis with a top-of-the-line Weldtec designed 6-inch off-grid suspension lift kit using Fox shocks and other high-quality components, a $5,600 upgrade, it's ideal for off-road adventures that require a little more ground clearance. Brand new tires all around ensure safe traction on highways or rugged trails. Power comes from a 7.3-liter Ford V8 gas engine, delivering 350 horsepower and 468 foot-pounds of torque through a Ford Torqshift 6-speed automatic transmission with a ton of towing capability. An Onan 4.0 gas generator provides off-grid power for remote camping when you can't plug in to power. The exterior looks sleek, with a clean design that's ready to shine at any campsite. Storage is impressive, with basement flip-down compartments along the sides and a mega storage compartment in the rear for all your gear. An exterior entertainment center features a 32-inch TV for outdoor movie nights or tailgating fun. A power patio awning and slide toppers keep you shaded and protected. One-touch automatic 4-point leveling jacks with touchpad controls make setup quick, and rear and side view cameras with an in-dash monitor ensure safe driving. A roof-mounted AC with heat pump and furnace heat keeps you comfortable, while a 30-amp service with a built-in extension cord and battery disconnects ensures reliable power. With 27,000 miles, this Entegra Odyssey is fresh and ready for family adventures with top-notch reliability. Let's step inside to explore why the 2021 Entegra Odyssey 30Z is a welcoming escape for adventurers. With only 27,000 miles, this 32-foot Class C RV offers a cozy interior perfect for families. The 30Z floor plan sleeps up to 6, designed for comfort and fun, making every journey a lasting memory. The kitchen is a treat for any chef, featuring a gas and electric refrigerator and freezer to keep food fresh, a stainless steel sink with a modern faucet, a gas stovetop and oven for hearty meals, a microwave for quick snacks, and ample drawer storage. The living area, expanded by 2 full-size slide-outs, is ideal for family time, with a booth dinette that converts into extra sleeping space, dual recliner theater seating for lounging, a 50-inch TV for entertainment, and an electric fireplace with heat for cozy evenings. An overhead bunk above the cab adds a fun sleeping spot for kids or guests, making this RV a family favorite. In the rear, the master bedroom is a restful nook, boasting a comfy queen bed for sound sleep, a 32-inch TV for relaxing, and wardrobe storage for your clothes. This private space is perfect for unwinding after a day of outdoor fun, offering a blend of style and function. The mid-bathroom is thoughtfully designed with a large sink and vanity, a private toilet room, a power vent fan, and a spacious shower with glass doors and a skylight for a bright spa-like vibe. It makes daily routines on the road feel refreshing and easy. This RV is packed with smart features, like a roof-mounted AC with heat pump and furnace heat for year-round comfort. With just 27,000 miles, the Entegra Odyssey combines family-friendly amenities with the reliability of a lightly used RV, ready for your next camping trip. The 2021 Entegra Odyssey 30Z, with its low 27,000 miles and family-focused features, is a fantastic find. From its powerful 350 horsepower Ford V8 engine and Ford E450 chassis, with a Weldtec Design's off-grid lift kit, to its inviting interior with an overhead bunk, queen bed, and modern kitchen, this RV is built for adventure and comfort. Priced at $77,900, it's ready to take your family on unforgettable journeys. Contact Porter's RV Sales at 864-260-9276. Email sales@portersrvsales.com or visit www.portersrvsales.com for more details. Thanks for joining us. Here's to exploring the open road.